Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to post on Instagram using PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to post to your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and open your Instagram account in your Instagram software on in your browser. Here I've logged into my account. Now you just have to click on this create option over here. Just click on create and then click on post. If you want to add an ad here or add a live video, so you can also do that, but I'm gonna add a post. Just click on post, and here just select from computer, so just click on this option and just select the video or the photo which you want to add. So for example, I'm gonna add this one.
What exactly makes a Loki a Loki?
Once the video has been added, just click on
Independence, I
save
live
and
within
then
whatever.
click on next. Now you can also add a cover photo for your video if you want to add. So let's say I'm gonna add a cover photo from this section. You can also add cover photo from anywhere from your video, or you can also select from your computer. You can also trim your video if you want to, or you can on or off video sound, then click on next here. And now on this page you have to add description or add tags, or you can also tag people if you want to add it. Once you have it done, just click on share option and your video will be posted to your Instagram account. Just wait for this loading and your video will be uploaded. So once your post or your reel has been uploaded, you must see this type interface. Your reel has been shared. Click on any empty place or try to reload your page and you might see your post over here. So in this way, you can easily create or add a post to your Instagram account from your PC or from your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.